My team has built a daily habit where the first thing they do when they come in is we see what happened the night before. What went down? Did we fix it right away? Is it still down? My favorite features for Guidewheel are the fact that I'm able to see everything real time. I'm able to log on wherever I am, but then also the fact that I'm able to look on a daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. I'm able to see the reporting as to what went on previously. What are we looking at from last week? What do we need to kind of focus on day to day, week to week, month to month. Using Guidewheel and using the tagging system has been very beneficial because we now do not have to directly speak to anybody that was here while something was happening. We're able to see it in the reporting, or we're able to log on and say, this machine was down, why? It's all there. All the information is readily available for us to view. And so it's been very, very beneficial. I'm very excited about it because it really has changed a lot of the perspective of what the machines are doing, right? That's really helped us as well with our productivity. Before, we would have to wait maybe 24 hours, a little bit more than that, to try to get some information. The improvement that you've made, or if it's going the opposite direction. And it has really helped us plan and try to strategically have fixes or have procedures that will help us in the future for any of the issues that we've seen in the past. Especially if we see that something happens consistently, then we're putting together procedures and processes that will help that moving forward.